These snap-on wire strippers are annoying me. The grips are loose. Every time I try to work with them, the grips roll around. So we're going to take the grips off. I want to clean up the surface to make sure there's no oil or anything on there. So I'm going to use this right here. It says cleaning solution for cleaning all surfaces which come into contact with primer or adhesive material. And it smells like alcohol. What kind of alcohol is the best to clean things with? So I'm going to also spray a little bit in here and let this dry out. And kind of work it around a little bit. I'll blow these out with compressed air, let them dry. And I'm going to put on the E6000. I've never tried this stuff before. We'll see if it actually works. It says Automotive and Industrial Adhesive. There's a bucket truck on there, so it should be good stuff. But the problem is, it's already past its expiration date. This type of stuff should have an expiration date on it. It should have a shelf life on it. I've warned you about this stuff before with silicone sealer, gasket maker. If it sits on the shelf too long, it starts to dry out in the tube. So it's probably just like shoe goo, if I had to guess. It's not supposed to be like this. I can't even get it out of the tube. It's stringy. It's definitely sticky. It's way, way too thick. I can barely push it out of the top of the tube. And I ended up pushing it too hard, and some came out the bottom of the tube. And the stuff in the bottom of the tube was actually a little bit better consistency than the top of the tube, but it was still dried out from the top to the bottom. Way too slimy. And yeah, it's supposed to be slimy and sticky, but it's supposed to have more of a runniness to it. So buy stuff from places that have a short shelf life, a good turnover rate on the shelf. I bought this from a farm store that has almost no customers. At any given time, there's only like 2 or 3 cars in the parking lot for customers. And I like shopping at this place because I like to keep places like this in business, but on the flip side, you got to watch out for this stuff. Like I said, this stuff is probably just rebranded shoe goo, and if so, it's good stuff. This is just expired.